So, friends, do you know what is electricity and how the electricity works? If you want to know about the electricity from the basic, then do watch this video till the end. So, let's start the video without wasting much time. So, electricity is the flow of teeny particles called as electrons. You may know that atom is containing nucleus at its center and electrons are revolving around it. When an atom gains energy, it jumps to a higher orbit by creating the electric current. In conclusion, electricity is the flow of electrons that powers our world. The electricity plays a crucial role in various applications by making our lives easier and more convenient, such as lighting, powering the devices, heating and cooling, transportations and medical equipments and an industries process, communications, agricultures and etc. Okay, so here we can be benefited by means of the electricity. Without electricity, we can't run this kind of thing. Okay, so this is all about the electricity and where we are using the electricity and how the electricity helps in various applications. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.